Namaste, welcome to Veggie Spice. Today we are going to see how to make Araithu Vitta or Arachi Vitta Sambar in Instant Pot. Araithu means grind in Tamil. So for this sambar, we are going to freshly grind the masalas that are required for the sambar. Before we get started with the sambar, I want to show you the various modes in an instant pot in case you're a beginner. So we will be using the saute mode and pressure cook mode. So I'll show you how to toggle between the two modes. Initially the instant pot is off. Now when we are going to saute the vegetables, make sure to put the instant pot on the saute mode and please keep the lid off when the instant pot is on saute mode. Afterwards, when the sambar is going to cook, we will switch it to pressure cook mode. The way we do is, we will hit the cancel button and now we will hit the pressure cook button and we can adjust the timing using the plus and the minus button. So we can increase the time or we can decrease the time. We can adjust as required and make sure it is on high pressure. And when we switch the instant pot to pressure cook mode, we will need to put the lid back on and close it. Also, when you put the lid back on, make sure that the knob is in sealing position. You should turn up the knob to sealing position. Now that we are familiar with the modes, let's get started with the recipe. Take a pan, add some oil, then add some fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, chana dal, then some red chilies as per your taste, then dhania or coriander seeds. Then we are going to saute them all together for some 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame and then turn off the stove. Then add some coconut to it and saute this for a minute. Then we are going to take it in a mixer, add the soaked tamarind pulp and grind it all into a paste. Turn the instant pot on saute mode and add some oil to it. Then we are going to add the pearl onion or baby onion or chinna vengayam and saute it for a minute. You can also add any vegetables of your choice at this point. Then we are going to add some water to it and then the ground masala paste. The paste is very easy to make, but it really enhances the flavor of the sambar. After you add the paste to the instant pot, make sure to break the lumps and mix it well. And since we are going to grind the tamarind with the paste, we are not going to add any tamarind extract separately. So we are going to just let this mixture boil for 3 to 4 minutes, still on saute mode. Then I'm going to add an additional spoon of either chili powder or regular sambar powder and then salt as per our taste. Also I'm going to add cooked tur dal, but you can soak the tur dal for 30 minutes and add it without cooking to the instant pot and let it all cook together as well. Also I'm going to add a tempering of mustard, fenugreek, curry leaves and asafoetida. You can also add the tempering in the instant pot itself initially. Then we are going to pressure cook all this together for 10 minutes. Make sure to turn the knob to sealing mode. After that, we are going to let the pressure settle naturally. It takes about 15 minutes for the pressure to settle. Then we are going to open the instant pot. Let's now open the instant pot. Look at the sambar. It looks so aromatic and delicious. Even look at the onions. They are so well cooked. We are going to garnish the sambar with some cilantro. And that's all. Enjoy the sambar. You can enjoy it with rice, with some ghee on top of it, dosa, idli, or you can even drink it in a bowl as such. Thank you so much for watching the video. In case you make this sambar, do let me know in comments how it turned out. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.